Hello friends and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about Origin, EON18X, EON16X and EON16X3D and EON16S gaming notebook. So friend, Origin has announced for new high performance gaming notebook. So friend, the EON18X and NS18 it comes with Intel latest Core Ultra 9 HX processor and the EON16X and NX16 it's same with Intel Aero Lake HX processor and the EON16X3D and NX3D60 it comes with AMD Ryzen X3D processor. So friend, the EON18X and NS18 it comes with 18-inch UHD plus display with 200 Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA RTX 5090 laptop GPU and up to 192 GB of DDR5 memory and 4 M.2 PCIe SSD slot generation 4 and generation 5 with read support and dynamic display switching with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus and High-Fidelity Audio System featuring Sound Blaster Studio Pro 2 and built-in subwoofer and Thunderbolt 5 connectivity into 2 and Wi-Fi 7 and 98 watt-hour battery for long-lasting battery life for extended use. And the EON16X and NX16 it comes with same NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series GPU and 16-inch QHD plus 240 Hz display and up to 96 GB of DDR5 memory and the connectivity features as same and the EON16 X3D and NX3D60 it comes with 16-inch mini LED display with 300 Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU and up to 32 GB DDR5, 5600 MHz memory and 2 M.2 PCIe SSD slot. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.